The idea of Dayoo came from our personal experiences. Traditional dishwashers are too large and not that affordable. Besides, traditional dishwashing, hand wash or not, you sort of have to use detergents. The residues may be harmful to our bodies in long term. We are a bunch of tech people focused on building something innovative. This time we set up to make a new concept cleaner that is efficient, easy to use, and most importantly, environment friendly. Down to 45 ml water consuming per minute, no more getting your hands dirty. We spent 18 months to find the quickest response steam generator solution and put in the best design we could come up with. Product development is a very challenging journey. It is so rewarding to see them being mass-produced. 200 years ago, Industrial Revolution started with steam power. Now after 2 centuries, steam is still here, changing our lives in different aspects. I'm quite confident that people will like it.
谢谢你们的支持。
谢谢你们的支持。
谢谢你们的支持。